Today we are bringing one of the best pakora recipes, and please don't forget to subscribe and like and press the bell icon and also leave comments. So these are all the ingredients that are needed: zucchini, potato, bell pepper, onion, cilantro. Julienne cut your vegetables just like this, like shown here. All the spices are listed here: cumin, crushed coriander, ajwain, crushed red peppers, salt, and baking powder. Please, not baking soda, is baking powder. So we put all our spices in the julienne vegetables, and we start adding the besan. It's about 8 to 9 tablespoons, and we don't add that much water in here because all the vegetables have their own moisture, and they will moisten the besan or the gram flour. And then once you have mixed uh, everything together with your hands, or you can use a spoon too, then you may need to add a couple of tablespoons of water or more. So we add gram flour or besan a little by little, and we fry these in hot oil, and they fry quickly. Let us know how you make the pakoras, and here you can see the sizzling oil. So this is how hot your oil should be, that as soon as you put the pakoras in, it should sizzle. You can fry these ahead of time. So if you're going to serve these later on, then just light brown the pakoras and then later refry before serving. If you have any questions, please leave a comment and I'll answer it promptly. And also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It is really necessary that you subscribe to our channel so we can continue bringing you our recipes. And thank you again for watching our channel, and I hope you really enjoyed it. Enjoy the really crispy vegetable pakora. These are delicious.